Taking a look at the schematics, I can see that my project width, not including the top, is 24 inches. If I subtract both of my stiles, that gives me a finished length of 20 inches. Because this piece will fit between the stiles, I'm going to want to cut this at an oversized measurement and leave it at that oversized measurement until I get ready to install this. I have a piece that measures about 23 inches that I have left over from a previous portion of the project. 23 inches is a little long. I could leave this at that since I am cutting it down again later, but I want to be just a little bit closer to what I need it to be. So I'm going to measure, mark, and cut this to an oversized length of 21 inches. So my workpiece now measures an oversized length of 21 inches by a little bit under 3 inches by about 1 inch thick.